thank you for coming down tonight. Up to our last song. Once again, we are Entourage. If anybody's interested, we do have tapes for sale after the show. Just come up to anybody in the band and we can help you out with that.
You got a mailing list? Yeah, the mailing list.
We even have a mailing list. If you want to give us your address. We were just a little too serious, so now we're going to be a little ridiculous.
First of all, I want to ask everybody a question. Who loves Brenda Walsh?
I don't even know what she's talking about, so we ignore her. I suggest you guys do the same. People have said get out before, but that was a little rude.
Get out!
Why don't you shut the power? Like, pull the plug. Like,